with a highway and a dashboard light, radio low on a Friday night. Didn't have much, but we had a plan. Your hand in mine, there was enough then. Rented rooms and hand-me-down dreams, counting dollars, stretching seams, laughing at storms rolling in, saying we'll be alright, and we always had been. Years roll by like a freight train line. Some days rough, some days fine, but through every high and every low, there's one thing I've always known. It's still you. When the house is quiet and the day is through, still you. When the world gets loud and I don't know what to do, after all the miles, all the tears, all the truth, if I had to choose, it's still you. We buried dreams and we buried friends, watched some stories reach their end, held on tight when faith was thin, found our way back home again. Gray in your hair, lines on my face, time has left its gentle trace, but when you look at me that way, I still see yesterday. We don't talk like we used to talk, sometimes we trip where we used to walk, but love ain't loud, it's steady and true. It's choosing the same heart you always knew. It's still you. When the night gets long and the sky's not blue, still you. When I lose my words and you see me through, after all the prayers we've made come true, if I start over new, it's still you. Not perfect lines, not easy days, we've said some things we'd change, but I do it all, the joy, the ache, every risk we chose to take. 45 years and I still believe the best part of my life's what we've been. Yeah, it's still you. When the lights go down and the crowd is few, still you. When it's just our shadows and the truth, through every season love walks us through, till the last I do, it's still you. If I had one life to live it through, it's still you.